What's up guys, today in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can see if someone blocked you on iMessage. Now the first thing guys you want to look for is when you send an iMessage to someone. For example, let me send an iMessage for example to this person. Now what you want to do guys, you want to send the message, okay? Now after you send the message guys, you will see delivered or read below the last iMessage you sent. As you can see, when I sent the iMessage, it says here delivered at the very bottom of the message. It says delivered. That means this person didn't block me. Now you want to look for other things. Of course there are other things to see if someone has blocked you on iMessage. You want to check the color of text. Now if you send a message and it's green, that means this person has blocked you on iMessage, because when you send a message and it's blue, that means it has been sent through iMessage when it's blue, okay? But when it's green, that means this person has blocked you on iMessage. Now you want to look for other things, of course. Now the first thing guys, you now the third way to see if someone has blocked you on iMessage is you can FaceTime the person. Okay, it's pretty it's pretty easy to spot if you are blocked on iMessage, because when you try to call or a video chat them using FaceTime, it won't work, okay? It won't work. You will get an error message that says something like the recipient doesn't accept your invitation, okay? That's exactly guys how you can see if someone has blocked you from iMessage. Now if you are blocked, there is no way to unblock yourself. The only thing you can do is to wait until the person who blocked you decides to unblock you. Now I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, please leave a like on this video and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or anything. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.